guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. If you guys are here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to click that little subscribe button right down below. Today's episode is brought to you by St. Innocent Orthodox Church from Tarzana, California. It's a cookbook called Flavors of Our Faith. There's tons of recipes in this cookbook, ranging from all parts of the world, and making dishes such as meats, Lenten, as well as vegan. This cookbook has something for everyone. Which brings me to today's episode, which is called Monk's Cake. And I guarantee you've never heard of monk's cake before. But I do promise you this, one bite of this and it won't be your last. Trust me. The history and the name of this monk cake is unknown. However, I have an idea which is probably made by a monk in a monastery. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to make some monk cake and eat it too. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. In a bowl, add 1 cup of strong tea. I use Earl Grey just because I love the scent and the flavor that comes out of that, but you could use your own flavored tea. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 1 cup of honey. To make it even more monk-like, we decided to use the orange blossom honey made by St. Barbara's Monastery. Add 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Slowly add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, introducing 1 cup at a time into the bowl, and mix all the ingredients well together. Place it in a well-greased loaf pan and bake for 60 to 75 minutes. Test it with a toothpick and it comes out clean. And here they are, the monk cakes. We made 2 variations of this. One in a round cake pan and the other one in a rectangular cake pan. You know what? The more, the merrier. When these were in the oven, the entire house was fuming with just sweetness of honey. What are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Oh, smells so heavenly. This is amazing. I can't even, I wish we had smell-o-vision. You guys could smell this. You cannot find this recipe anywhere on the web except RockinRaffi's Home Cooking channel. So let's take a bite. How sweet it is. It just goes down the palate the way it should. Nice and smooth. When you bite into it, the middle portion is so soft and just smooth. The outer portion, it has a little crunch to it. So what are you waiting for? Make this recipe today. It's only 7 ingredients and it's simple to make, easy to do. Make sure it's in the oven for at least a minimum of 60 minutes. And that's it. Let it cool down for about an hour as well. And that just wraps up this episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts on monk cake. Share with your friends and family and that bell. Click on that bell so that you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking.